It is working. Good start. Good start to have things working. Let's just see. Okay. We seem good to go. Yesterday. What do I say about yesterday? Yesterday was good, but bad, but good, but bad, but hi. Hey, Limcurse, how you doing? How was the rest of your day yesterday? Would help if I place things properly, hey? Ooh, here's some equal. Amazing. Why are we doing this? I'm so glad. Well done. Well, fingers and toes crossed. I'm sure it will be. We will make it a good day. It will be a good day. Even if it's not good trading day, we'll make it a fun day on the stream, right? That's how you do it. Just need to take notes of these thingies. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. Now we are getting ready to go. Hey, Boom Banana, how's it going? There we go. See, you can always make it a good day, mentally. Most of the time, depending on who you are. Sometimes it's questionable, but it's fine. Boom Banana, how was your day yesterday? Oh, amazing. Amazing. Okay. What? Why not? Just... I know, I didn't see you on the stream. I was very disappointed. But it's fine. Why? What happened? Why didn't you trade? Did life happen? Probably. When in doubt, life probably happened. Or you were also probably busy. Oh, there we go. That's valid. So, yes. Life happened. 100%. But I hope whatever it is sorted. Morning, LP. How's it going? Ooh, and? How was it? Green? Very much green. Nice. Damn. Well done. So are you done for the day then? Are you still trading? Ah, no, that's valid. Okay. Do you not have like a limit? I guess. Yeah. Do you have a limit? Or not really? Oh, nice. Okay. Right? Boom Banana is booming. I think I'm funny. Oh, nice. Okay. Hey, Trade Delicious. How's it going? How's it going? Off to a great start with English today. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should just attempt to just do the whole stream in gibberish. It might make more sense. Oh, amazing. Damn, you're just like a trading whiz, aren't you? Some people are blessed. No, I'm joking. I know it probably took a lot of hard work and research and practice to get there. One minute to go before opening. Except I must say the 9 a.m. opening has not been great. 10 a.m. There's actually a bit of a boom. It's very interesting. Wow, okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and... Okay, there we go. Ah. Hey, hey, a little bit of momentum today. Nice. I'm scared to ask this question. Okay, I get the boom. Where does the banana come from? I don't know if I want to know the answer to this. But I have to ask. I mean, now we know where boom comes from. Banana? Well, I mean, that is very valid. Okay, cool. I actually have a bunch of bananas in my fridge right now. It's like the only thing I eat during the day. Well, yeah, no, basically. Nothing? Nothing. Nothing. No, people can be really weird sometimes, and it can have a lot of different meanings. I was like, who knows? Sure. I don't know if there's anyone with curly hair in the audience, but this is a life lesson. Just don't brush it. Look at how it's just gone today. Literally just because I brushed my hair last night. So there we go. Just needs to behave. Anyways. What do we think is going to happen today? Is it going to go up now after that flipping mahoosive drop it did yesterday? Is it going to carry on going down? Moving on. Which way do we think it's gonna go today? Everyone else is being so quiet, damn. Okay. Ah, yeah. So you think it's gonna reach for that? Well done! That's amazing! Do you know what? Oh, I'm so sorry! Boom Banana, I forgot to give this to you. You guys get a very well-earned whoop whoop I'm aware of how lame it is, but it's my thing now, so we're going with it. You guys get a whoop whoop for amazing traits. Let's have a look, see if I had placed it here. But yes, very good whoop whoops for you guys. That is amazing. Well done. I'm glad you guys are having such green weeks. Green days? And now I got a Green Day song stuck in my head. Oh well. It's fine. If you guys do not know Green Day, I'll be a little bit disappointed. Not mad, just disappointed. But just for you, literally just for you. Hey Emoji, how's it going? So is it better? Do you prefer it? See, now I can't tell if you're joking or not. Boom Banana, maybe I need to ask you this. Yay, I love it. Thank you, Emoji. I see. I take what you guys say to heart, and I went, okay, cool. I better fix that then. No, listen, Boom Banana, I hope you're joking. I don't know. Maybe I need to ask this. Boom Banana, how old are you? Because, damn, you should know Green Day. Should. Unless you are super young. Okay, do you know Green Day? Please say you know Green Day. You're right, I can watch it all day. Oh my gosh. Aw, look at that. Would have been an awesome freaking trade. Anyways. Oh, flip. Yeah, come on, guys. Green Day is awesome. I know now I've got Green Day stuck in my head, but hey, Pat Hall, how's it going? This would have been such a nice win. Would have been an amazing win. Well, let's have a look. Should still be climbing for that order block. Trading plan. Well, to be honest, today I am working really hard on my discipline. Again, I'm going with the strategy. There is a decent order block at 420. Okay. Those of you that know. Anyways. Wow, I'm full of rubbish today. I'm so sorry. You guys are gonna have to deal with a lot of weirdness. I kind of apologize. So I'm gonna see if it goes all the way up to the order block before there might be a reversal, but right now, going with structure, it is now bullish. So we are looking for a bullish entry. The previous one would have been a winning trade. I just didn't place it because it was before my 5 minutes. I have rules. Mark. How's it going? Yeah, it's one of those days. It's so weird here. So weird. So, you know, normally I'm being blasted by red because of the sunlight. It is so overcast today, and it rained all of last night. But it's still hot. Like, I mean, it's not boiling and I'm dying, but I'm not wearing a jersey, which is weird for me because I get cold when it's like 15 degrees Celsius outside because I'm weird. I've just accepted it. Everyone looks at me weird. It is what it is. Let's see. This teeny weeny itty bitty bit. Just tapped VWAP on ES. Got VWAP there as well. Okay, let's see. So I was having this discussion with someone yesterday about the weather. That sounds very weird and cheesy, but literally about the weather, because I was saying I'm very conflicted because I get cold for no reason. It sucks, but in the same breath, I will prefer cold weather over super hot weather because cold weather you can always just add more layers, right? There's unlimited amounts of blankies and cuddly things that you can just add. However, with the heat, it's not like you can... Once you've jumped in the pool, there's nothing else you can do. My mystery man. Oh, listen, you're gonna have a lot of competition because he is big and a redhead. He's my horse. I do not have a mystery man. I got my horse. That's about it. Does that sound about right? Does that seem... Yeah. He's really big though. He is massive. No, that's very weird to say. I don't think it's gonna come all the way down here, but you never know. Listen, when it comes to horses and horse girls, the horse always wins. Yeah. Emojio, where didn't you no? Where are you? 50 degrees Celsius. Guess we are. Somewhere bloody hot? I don't know. Where are you from? My brain is saying Morocco, but that's not right. Oh, where are you from? Boom Banana, I can't tell if you were joking or not. Are you actually 27? I'm 164 centimeters. I don't know if that helps at all. My guy. I'm 26. So no. You say that, but there is someone on here who's 18 and I call him my grandchild because 18, damn. He makes me feel old as hell. Yes. I don't know. You can Google how much that is in inches? Feet? So that is, let's see. 5'3", I guess. 5'4", 5'3". Haha, there we go. I don't know, is that short? Is that tall? Here, I guess it's pretty average. Come on! If I'd put it there, it would have been a win. And I was thinking of putting it there, and I didn't put it there. It's freaking frustrating, okay? Take some of that, so there should be a little bit more. Momentum. Okay, fine. You wanna come at me with that? How tall are you then, Mr. How tall are you? Wow, I see how it is. Okay, cool. Hey Jeff, how you doing? You're 37, and that's exactly what... Interesting. Very interesting. I'm not going to confirm or deny. But you do have a valid point. So yes, I will agree. I do think maturity is a must. The fact that I've missed this again is very annoying right now, but it is what it is. I can tell you how tall my horse is. 16 to 12. Let's say 16 3 hands. Let's say he's 172 centimeters. Okay, so my horse is 5'7". You live for the thrill of life. That's a nice way of looking at things. Well, it depends. What is your version of a thrill? Because I know, oh god, look at the sun coming out. Now everything's looking weird as hell. Let me see if I can fix this. Damn. You guys are about to see some weird stuff. Are you ready? I was looking at a long. I'm not in, unfortunately. You guys ready for some weirdness? Apologies in advance. There we go. That's better. Okay. And I don't look so odd. And now the sun's gonna go away and I'm gonna look weirder. It's fine. Yes, 5'7", my horse. He's huge. He is massive. I was looking at a long, Charles. but I have a feeling it's gonna go short soon. Hey, there we go. Nice. Yeah, I wasn't joking. He's a tall boy. Yes, I look like a little shrimp next to him. Yes and no. Be cool? Is that a AI thumbnail? Yes and no. I mean, it's me, if that helps. AI helped me with the background. Yeah. If that's what you are asking. This consolidation sitting on VWAP on ES. Let's have a look now if it's gonna keep going up or not. I mean, 5.7 is not that short, is it? No, not really. I don't know. And South Africa, that's not really too much of a thing. I don't know. We don't care too much about that. You know what's frustrating is that this is the third trade that would have been a win. Okay. It's about to go into that order block. So I've been trading now since April. So how long? April, May, June. Sure, so not that long actually. Yes. I am watching to see now. There's that little bit of a back, but now is it going to keep going up or is it going to pop back down? Hey, nice. Hopefully not April Fools, but anyways. And I got into it because, well, as you have gathered from the little itty bits of information, I ride horses and they are bloody expensive. I also got into it because it sounds a little bit weird. So I'm a little bit of a, I don't want to say a pushover. Pushover sounds bad. I am too nice. So if people ask me to do things, I will just go ahead and do them. So it does mean that I very much get taken advantage of at work. So I'll like work a lot of overtime for no extra pay, or I'll come in and do favors or help people out. Just because I'm just too nice and people love to take that and use it to their advantage. It's not, well, I don't know. Some people say it's easy. It's not easy. Hey Cougar, how's it going? But Jeff, I hope that kind of answered. I want to be a little bit more independent, and I would like to not have to answer to a bunch of people that love to take advantage. So I thought I'm gonna give this a go. And what better way to learn than with the help of like-minded people? And I must say, so obviously I did some research before I started, and I found, how do I put this? I will explain that one now, Boom Banana. But if this goes up for freaking win, I'm actually gonna have a mini meltdown. Okay, mini meltdown on its way. Seriously? Okay. Anyways, got distracted now. What was I saying? Oh, I find trading super interesting in the sense that it feels like you can never stop learning. So just when you think you've learned a lot about it, it turns around and goes, actually, there's something else. And then you go, okay, cool, now I know. And then something else pops up and something else pops up. That's why I have like a little notepad thing, and whenever you guys mention something, you'll see I quickly tippy tappy type. Oh, flip, now I press in. I quickly type and have a look, see? Because there's always things to learn. And, okay, wait. Which part is interesting? Boom banana. The interesting made me nervous. What is interesting? What's up? Going. Frick, frack, snick, snack. Honestly. I'm from South Africa. Wait, where are you? Emojio, you didn't answer where you are from, by the way. But that's exactly, I've also been, well, that's why I'm kind of, as you can see, I'm kind of forward testing this one. Oh, that makes sense. I can imagine. So, to be fair, I used to live in a place here in South Africa where it did get to 50 degrees, and it is ridiculous. Counterpoint, Cougar, counterpoint, hear me out. Is it not good to be strategy hopping, or if you have not found a strategy that works for you yet? Why is it the ones I want to take don't come to get me? Just rude. That, I feel like that's a lie, and it's bad to lie. Okay. Puka, we can have a debate about this one. Because you're not wrong. So please don't think I'm saying you are wrong. You are not wrong at all. I do 100% agree with you. But sometimes I feel like some people see the strategy and others do not. Yeah, I don't actually like how far down it's coming, but I guess we're giving it a go. Anyways. Sorry. Got distracted by the charts. Yeah. But it's also right by the liquidity. Would it not want to hop up, grab that liquidity to get some movement going? And then retrace back down? Now you've made me nervous. Well, now I'm in it. So, let's see. Ah, looks like you were right. Thank you. Well, let's see. Like I said, just my luck. All the ones I missed would have been wins. The one I do take goes, yeah, nah. Oh, just hands off. Just leave it alone. Thanks. Yep, okay, you were right. But again, do you know how freaking annoying it is that all the ones I didn't take would have been wins? And then the one where I'm like, yeah, okay, sure. Hey Reluve, how you doing? After 3 negative, more caution on market. See, that's a thing I didn't know. Of course I do. I'm with a prop firm, Jeff. Okay. Why? Out of curiosity? Okay, I'll go have a look now. I'll go and have a look now, Reluve. Well, I mean, it's gonna be a little bit tricky. Seeming as you live very far away. So, okay. Okay. Sorry, my dog was getting excited about something. Reluve, okay, I'll have a look for you now. I'm just wanting to ask the group something. So, group? I say group. Group sounds weird. Hey guys, okay. Does anyone else... How long? Well, basically since I started trading. So, yeah. Since April. That's how long I've been. And it's with Tradeify? I do know there's a lot of other ones, but yeah, not a lot of them are with South Africa. So, Tradeify is what I use. Sorry, wow, my brain is all over the place today. Okay. Brain needs to function, brain needs to focus. What I was going to say before brain went does anyone else enjoy like adrenaline thing? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, bye. He's feeling extra shy. You'll be fine. Adrenaline? Like, do you enjoy doing adrenaline-filled things? Like, one of the coolest things I did was I did a gorge swing. So it's kind of like bungee jumping. I'm not a fan of bungee jumping, but... No, you are right, Limkers. Yeah. I guess like skydiving or shark cage diving. Ooh. Yes and no. Sorry, I love motorbikes. I do not have one, but I think they're awesome. I mean, it's pretty dangerous. Damn, look at you, Boom Banana. Sure. Ooh, ooh. So I used to do kickboxing. So that is awesome. So if market does not break 420. Try recall near 360. Okay. I'm gonna watch for this now. Let's have a look. Yes, I'm going to know. Going through a level now. What was the indicator called again? You did mention it further up. Let me go find it. Remove. Where are you? Trading session indicator. For yesterday's Asia. There's London. Oh my goodness. There's Asia. Oh, flip. Yeah, I see exactly what you mean. Literally tapped into it and then went down. Oh, and it's done it again. Is that what you're trying to show me, Reluve? Very interesting, thank you. Alright, let's see. Got it. Yeah, very interesting. So in Boom Banana, you think it's going 380 level now. Let's see, where's 380? 380's there, cool. Who do you think so? Do you think it's just a fluke? So basically, I had the right idea in mind, kind of. It just... I wanted it to take that liquidity as well, but I see it took the Asia high, right? Hmm. Here's Asia high. Asia high is there. So your theory is that it's gonna go to the Asia low. Okay, Jeff, as for you, you've been... Yes. Okay, I'm gonna keep my eye out for that. That's very interesting. Huh. Mark, yes I am. I'm on the 1 minute. Huh, okay. Thanks, Relief. I really appreciate that. That's super interesting. I'm gonna keep an eye on this now. Is it driving you crazy? Better. How is that better? Do you feel better now? Oh, Hugo, so you use the same thing, right? Don't worry, I get it. People all have their things. That. Wee. Hmm. There and there. And I can see I'm just, yeah, I'm having a look through. Right there, then drop down. Huh, okay. So I trade every day. Today I'm kind of more forward testing than anything. That's all. That's amazing. And what's your win rate with that, Relief? Just out of curiosity. But I am live every day and I'm on the markets every day. If that helps. No. I was gonna say technically twice a day because I'm here London and New York. So. But is it twice a day? It's just, you know, it's every day. There we go. Relief, do you feel better now? Twice. Nice. It's twice times. Oh, it does indeed. You're right, Mark. No, that's my real giggle. I can't fake giggle. I don't know. Wait, I can try fake giggle. It's not gonna be great. It's that, and that was so cringe. I don't want to ever do that again. That was terrible. Oh my god. That was awful. Oh, we're not doing that again. Thank you. Appreciate it. I can't do fake giggles. Clip. Well done, Reluve. That's awesome. Do you want to start trading it, or did you just find it interesting? Heh. Let's watch. I'm gonna watch and see. You think it's gonna sweep down to 334? Sorry, Reluve. No messing with it. Yeah, well done. Sure. What strategy do you... Oh, I don't know if I can ask you that. What is your strategy? Yeah, all this. Yes. Make a little... There. My little liquidity lines. Wait. There we go. I got you. How long have you been trading, Reluve? Yeah, Mark, let's keep fingers and toes crossed. Are you in a short, by the way? Boom Banana, do I travel? When I have money, yes. I've been... I haven't been lots of places now that I'm older and have to pay for things myself, but when I was younger... I've been to Amsterdam, kind of Paris, not really. It was like flight overlay we had lots of time, so kind of Paris. We saw the Eiffel Tower, I guess that counts. We weren't there for long. Portugal. I'm half Portuguese, so I do have an EU passport. That helps. So it's about to get serious, you know. Okay. Hell yeah, Jeff. There is. That's true. No, that's valid. That is valid. Is it a strategy that you found? Nice. It's just bouncing off of VWAP right now on both ES and NQ. Oh my gosh, finally the charts kind of match. Flip. I was gonna say something. Oh, you were on the 5 minute. Okay, cool. You were, and now? Are you still on it? You checking everything out? Let's see. Oh yeah, 100%. The noise keeps me focused. I say that. It's mostly keeps me focused. Okay, so we have Cougar that thinks it might want to go back up for the liquidity. And a lot of you think it's still gonna go back down. Why do I? Why did I start trading? Is that what you're asking? Oh, I forgot I've been to Italy. That was like the last place I went. Italy is awesome. So I did explain it a little bit earlier, but basically, so sorry for everyone that has heard this already. Basically just, I want to be a little bit more independent for two reasons. Number one, horses do be expensive and I like to have time to ride them. If I have to work during the day all the time, I would never be able to actually get to see them. Mark, oh, you looked at the 15 inch long. Oh, interesting, okay. No, Jeff, but thanks. Do you know how often I've heard that? Well, Mark 25. Nice. I do not. I have TikTok though. If that, yeah. Two 5037. Okay. Basically, April, May, June, July. I guess you could say nearly 4 months. No, SK, what happened? Should probably do a Instagram, shouldn't I? Teach my trading. Sorry, it's not very, yeah, it's pretty basic. Who, SK? Oof, that would have been a loss. Put it from here. Maybe not. SK, what did you do? How did it happen? Relief, that actually is a whole lot easier. I should have just done that ages ago. Huh. Anyways, sorry. Thank you. Do you feel that how do I put this? That doesn't sound ooper duper weird. I don't think there is a non-weird way to say this, but does it tickle your fancy, tickle your brain? I don't know. You know what I mean. Make your brain happy, maybe. That's what I'm trying to say. It just came across really weird. No. Really? Sorry, I'm sorry. So number 1, SK. My guy, I told you, you need to give yourself like some rules. Jeff, that sounds amazing. So a place I do want to visit, I would love to go visit Japan. Love. It looks amazing. Not even like the touristy spots. Like I want to go and visit proper Japan. It just looks so cool. Boom Banana? Yes, I do, clearly. Well, I don't know if I like saying it, it just happens. So clearly my brain is just weird, and then the brain and the mouth and things happen. Mark, dopamine, yes. No, I did not. I probably should have. Relief? That's answering you. Oh no, I'm sorry. And is it as awesome as they say it is? I'm waiting to see how this setup would have worked out. Because really, if I wasn't an absolute idiot, I would have had 3 wins in a row before this loss. Backtesting, like I said, I haven't calculated the exact percentage, but the win rate is definitely higher than the losing rate. Loss rate? Loss rate. Let's say loss rate. Oh, like I said, if I wasn't a fool, if I'd gotten in on these trades, I would have had so many freaking wins. Would have been up 6R. There we go. Okay. Let me go through this. Yes. 2R win rate. Is that what you're asking, Relief? Yes. 2R win rate. Boom Banana, I am so jealous of you. So, okay, you can't really see through the shirt, but these are actually kind of cherry blossoms over there. Anyways, next. SK, how's your network extension trade down? It went okay yesterday. Again, there were a few missed winning trades, which again really sucked, but it's fine. Wonky head and shoulders. Yeah. Reluve RR is 2R. Boom Banana, I shouldn't be so hard on myself. Like, I know, I've been told that. Just relax, be fine, but man, you feel like an absolute idiot. For lack of a better word, you do. You just feel like a twin. But I don't know how to Show it any better? I'm sure it's not great. Nah, I'm gonna have to show it on a day when I don't have the shirt on. Oh, I've heard good things about Jamaica as well. I've heard bad things, but I mean, it's like South Africa, right? South Africa is actually so beautiful, but I'm sure you guys have also heard a lot of bad things about South Africa. Some of them, true. Some, not so much. Hey GBK, I was wondering where you were. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's above 33%. Yeah, listen, it's amazing. Like I said, the beaches here are just so beautiful. I mean, you have everything here in South Africa. I think that's the cool thing. Oh, that was smooth. I don't know. You would be seeing, this place is beautiful. Like, I know I'm very much like promoting South Africa right now, but oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, okay, Jeff. So, how's the food there? Well, there is variety. So, there is a lot of variety. So, it depends on what type of food you are looking for. I mean, all the cultural foods, some are weird. If you're up for experimenting weird and wonderful foods, this is the place to be. Like walkie-talkies. I don't know if you know what a walkie-talkie is. Like the food walkie-talkie. Obviously, it's not the little walkie-talkie. But there's a lot. And bunny chow. But I guess that's not just here, but South Africans love bunny chow here. And braais. I know people, I think over there it's barbecues, but the braais here, it is the thing. South Africans love their braais. Do I like braais? They're okay. Me. Can I cook? Not great. I guess to be fair, I don't really put lots of effort into it. I prefer to do other things. So South Africa, food there, great. What's the environment like? So environment like the natural environment, because again, you have everything here. You have the beaches, you have the more built up areas like Johannesburg, where it's the proper, like, massive buildings. You have the bush, obviously. You can't not go to the bush when you're in South Africa, so you will have to go to the Kruger. Because it is amazing. I mean, yeah. Basically, take your pick of what you want to be seeing in South Africa. We most likely have it. Yeah, for me, that's why I really enjoy South Africa. You can literally pick, do you want bush, beach, or built up? We've got all. And how are the people? That one kind of depends on the area. So I'm in the South Coast right now, and the people here are actually really friendly. I mean, there's a lot of old people here. So yeah, but in general, they're really friendly. If you go to the more built up area, maybe not so friendly and not so happy. But in general, the people here are nice. Again, I do not have money for such things. But like I said, you also have to kind of decide of what you want to see. Like, what type of area are you looking for? Do you enjoy beach vibes? Do you enjoy bush vibes? Jungle vibes? I want to say jungle, but I don't know if jungle's the right So, okay, how about this? Oh, I know what I'll do. Maybe not today because the weather's not great. On a day when it's a little bit better, I will walk through this little coastal town of mine and I'll take a video of the beach, of the little jungle looking area. And I will say no, there's no built up area here. Further down along the coast, like 30 minutes from here, there's a bit more of a built up area. That's where my horses actually are. They are on a freaking mountain. Literally. But what I can do, on a day when it's a little bit sunnier, I can go and I can video all of those things. Wait. No. I do. Let's have a look. I actually might have a video from a while ago when I was visiting. I might actually have a really cool video that shows all of it. Sorry, that was a very random, absolutely nothing to do with trading rant that I just went on. I'm so sorry, guys. Anyways, let us have a look-see now. So this trade still wouldn't have been tagged in. It's kind of just consolidating a little bit now. So again, thoughts? Who thinks it's gonna go up? Who thinks it's gonna go down? Hey, how's it going? Jeff, I hope that helped a little bit. Did it help at all? I'm hoping yes. Okay, well, it's 10. Let's see if... Okay, let's have a look, Reluv. Let's test this now. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry if that linked anyone in the ears. So, platform, I'm on TradingView. Yeah. Also, welcome. Hello. You are new to this. How are you doing? Also, how's everyone else's trading day looking? Good, bad, yes, no, maybe. Just checking something quick. I hope it doesn't rain later. Oh, listen, so my poor dog, he goes crazy. So by the coast, things you see a lot, and they are very annoying, they are so annoying, are the monkeys, the vervet monkeys. They are everywhere, they're little menaces. So this is talking just the coast. So coast, vervet monkeys, dussies. Obviously not as easy and not all the time, but you get like the dolphins and the whales. Limcris, a possible setup, long setup at 420, 435. You think so? Oh, that's awesome! 937 needs to be untouched. Okay, I'm watching. Oh, okay. Cheers, Boom Banana. Enjoy. Thank you. Maybe see you later. Not sure. Unless, yeah, if not, good luck with Discord, and I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. Enjoy. Bye. Leave setup. Okay. If 387 remains untouched, then the price will go on 407, 20 point long. Will be possible. Okay, I'm gonna have a watch now. So you say 387. Okay, I'm gonna keep it here. So if 387 remains untouched, the price will go on to 407. Oh, 397. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna watch now. So, because you are new, what do you have? Or do you have nothing? Oh, okay, so there we go. So now it touched 397. So now is it gonna go down? Not yet. It's in the works. I want to get one slowly started, especially for, you know, beginners that want to learn. Okay, so I need to see volume on the next two candles now. But if you want to learn things, literally keep watching, just keep reading the comments, because I cannot explain how helpful all of you guys are. And you learn so much. Okay, Reloop says it's gonna go down. If not decrease, short of a plan. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, like I said, if you want really helpful advice and really good tips and indicators, believe me, these guys are amazing. I love listening to what they have to say. It's why I'm actually sitting here listening instead of actually really trading. But okay, I mean, to be fair, I have not bought a home yet, but you... That's actually a good question. Property taxes. Yes. I just don't think they're as hectic, and I think the housing situation down here is a whole lot cheaper than everywhere else. So to give you an idea, I think I could be talking rubbish. Please do not quote me on any of this, or do not take me for my word on this. Huh, okay. Remove trading setup strategy. So I took it back a step. I made it super simple for myself because I was overcomplicating things and getting all up in my head. Give me a second. Need to quickly just respond to this. 2 seconds. No daily rotation. Any force of eating. Ah, okay. Target Asia lows. I could target Asia. Ah, here we go. Oh, I wouldn't have been tagged in on this trade. That sucks. So I made it super simple for myself because I had a strategy that was just not working and it was freaking me out, and I was second guessing and doubting everything. Literally everything. So when I say I made it stupid simple, it started with literally a block. Draw the block out to the highs. Make it at 50% either buy or sell. Well, this one would have been a buy. But then the problem was it was 1-to-1 R. So then this is where the GAN comes in. Still 50% buy-in, as you can see. But instead of the stop loss being all the way at the bottom at around 30% is where stop loss is. And you just make your TP a little bit higher for the 2R. Yep. No. No, so that's true. That's when I look at like liquidity grabs and order blocks and let me see here. Oh. Order blocks, there was a decent one. Let's see, here it actually tapped into the order block slightly, so we can use let me find a better order block to show you. Remove, let's find an order block, order block, order block, order block. Where's a nice order block? Let's use okay, wait. I just want to hide it for now. There we go. Sorry. I want to try to find a nice order block to show you, but not great ones right now. This one's pretty decent, I guess. Yeah. You'll probably find more in the higher time frames as well. Ooh, amazing. Enjoy, Limcris. Have a good golf session. Frankie B, how's it going? Limcris, I'll see you in New York. Enjoy. Have an amazing day. Enjoy golf. Frankie B, how's it going? So, Reluve, here's quite a decent order block. There we go. You can see it actually nearly tapped it a few times. So, opposite colors, if you're using red, green. I know a lot of people use red, green. I like the blue and the white. No. No. This that I've drawn here is an example of an order block. Okay. So you can see it goes all the way up. It's preferable for an A+ order block. I call it A+ order block. Huh. I'm staying out even if it moves without me. That's really good, Cougar. Well done. See, that's the discipline that we like to see. Really? See, this is so interesting. I have some people saying no, short, and some people saying nope, it's gonna be a long. So I'm like, Sorry, I keep getting distracted. Relieve. This little doji here tends to be an order block. So it's basically a candle that has swept some liquidity, as you can see. Quite a decent wick, a doji of a candle. Also preferable. Opposite color. Like, I mean, you get different, but this is just a really good one. If this was all the way at the top or all the way at the bottom, like that one's not ideal because it's not really too much of a doji. It is still one though, but this is a really nice one. And what tends to happen is the market tends to reject off of it. So you can see here it was close. Here it actually tapped in and rejected down off of that order block. I hope that was an okay explanation. I'm I'm getting better with my explanations. I'm trying. You guys can correct me if you think I'm talking absolute bull. Oh my gosh, I just read that. I'm like, okie dokie. That. Okay. So. Jeff. Oh, thank you so much, Jeff. Lots and lots of love. Hopefully I'll see you. Do you trade New York? If you do, I'll maybe see you later. If not, I will see you tomorrow, maybe? But yeah, it was amazing chatting to you. Very insightful. I think it's so amazing. I now have to put... I have to have like a travel diary that I want to go and list all of the places that I want to go travel now. Thanks for that. Okay, so liquidity, you're gonna go short off the range at VWAP. Okay, Frankie B, you're going short and long, so you're having a good schlong day. Got it. Noted. No, so I don't use the order block for this. The order block just gives you an indication. So there was an order block at 420 that it rejected a little bit off of. Yeah, so you can see here, 420, there's that order block that it rejected off of, which means if I had done my freaking setup, it would have been a win. So there's my setup. It would have rejected off the order block into my 50% up for a 2R. Full port long. Also, hi. Hello. Hey, Hunter. I'm gonna call you Hunter. Hope that's fine. How's it going? Frankie B, you funny. Sorry, I'm not over that. So just tapped in now. So again, here, top of the range to bottom of the range. Maybe that's a better explanation. I go top of the range, bottom of the range. There would be 50%. And now we go for it. Let me see. Okay. That, well, I'm kind of forward testing a little bit today. I'm really trying. And take one. You really think so? Enjoy, good luck. Hopefully, so I am also here New York Open. At entry, yes. I'm here for New York Open, which is 9:30 New York time. It's 3:30 p.m. here, South Africa time. Just see something. Sorry, I'm just having a look at some things. Don't mind me. Ignore me being quiet. It is quite choppy all of a sudden. I kind of wonder why. It was going so well earlier. So let's see. This would have been. Nah, wait. Yeah. Is Frankie in? I love it. It really is chopping quite a bit today. Why? Why is it chopping? Sorry, I know that I went off of... I went... My pillow. There we go. My pillow got stuck. I went a little bit MIA there. I had to just quickly sort out something for work. It took me 2 seconds. Apologies about that. So, Frankie B. Charles, yes, it is. I mean, it's a little bit better here. No, but now it is kind of chopping again, so that's great. That is frustrating that it looks like it wants to be a winning trade again, and I missed it. Thanks to work. That was fun. Anyways, did you close now? Let's see if it would have been a win all the way down. Oof. It looks like it wants to. Frankie B, that feeling you have? Oh my gosh. So literally, you can ask anyone. This morning, I was busy doing my GAN and winning trade, winning trade, winning trade. So I was like, okay, cool. Clearly we're on a roll. Fail. Do you know how annoying that is? So you're not alone in feeling that way. When you're just like, clearly the market just hates me and wants to do the opposite of what I want it to do. And it always feels that way, that when I want it to give me a decent freaking trade, it goes, no. And when I'm not putting a trade in, because I'm like, oh, I don't trust it, guess what it does? It gives me the perfect freaking trade. Oh, it drives me absolutely mental. I am convinced. You joke, but I am convinced. I'm convinced that they are watching and they go, you know what will be funny? If we did this, and I would be like, no, that's not funny. I don't like it. It's not funny, it's rude. I missed that one. Let's see, maybe this one's better. Yep, there it goes. No, stop that. Probably. Yes, now took all that liquidity. So now will there be a little bit of a long after taking this liquidity and about to go into a fair value gap? No, maybe not. No, maybe yes. Do I know the fear and greed? No, I agree. That's what I'm kind of looking at. I'm gonna keep this up. I'm not gonna do it. Mainly because it took that liquidity and there's the fair value gap that I literally just bounced into, and that wick is a bit too big for me. So I'm wicking out of it. I think I'm funny. Anyway. Frankie B, you are hilarious. See, this is why I keep my windows closed. Maybe I need to just... Maybe I'll just start trading without the camera on and then they can't see anything. No, I'm joking. Of course they can. Relu, do I know the fear and greed indicator? No, I do not. What is that? Franks, hi, how are you? 332. Okay. I'm gonna Google it. Reversal? No. You're bluxom. Guys, Frankie made me do this. This is Frankie's fault. Not a great one, but it's a start. Here we go. Do you like my tinfoil hat? 100% it's gonna be amazing. If it is, I'm going to lose the plot a little bit because it'll be so freaking funny. Aw, thanks, Franks. Yo, I haven't seen you in a while. You haven't been very chatty. I missed the chit chat. A little bit risky, but let's see. Oh gosh. Maya Madness. Mental Maya. Either of those would probably work, right? Let's see, it now went past that fair value gap that I was a little bit worried about, so maybe... Oh no, it has not tapped into it. I lied. Hasn't folded properly though, it has not filled that one either. I'm a little bit nervous about this one. Oh, yeah, there we go. The Mad Hatter indeed. What? Cool. That was not good. Oh my gosh. What the hell? Okay. Wait, I must put that back up. Actually. Okay, noted. Noted. Might be, damn. Yeah, no, 100%. It's coming off, Frankie B, it didn't work. They could hear my thoughts now. The tinfoil hat made them hear my thoughts. It did not work. Holy crap. That was not great to be in. It's the gold foil hat doom. Clearly. I told you, Frankie B, they are watching and they know everything. I can't believe that just happened. Oh well. What were we talking about with luck and how amazing the markets are and how they are watching? You think it's gonna go that high up? If it does, that'll be impressive. We'll watch. Liquidity grab at bottom, 450. That was brutal. I mean, there's these two little equal highs here. Wonder if it's going for that. I'm gonna stick around for a little bit longer, but after that brutality that the stock market just put me through, oh my gosh, I feel a little bit violated. That was awful. Oh my gosh, that was awful. PLTR. What's that? Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna stay a little bit longer. But after that, target is 1 hour wick high. Oh, I see. Yeah. Where are we? Oh, here we go. And okay. Yay, I'm so happy that I was on the receiving end of it. I feel like I need to test it first. It could be either. Yeah. Let's see if it goes all the way for this liquidity. Let's see if I'm quick enough. Nice. Here's the range. Yeah, it's here. Where it has a little bit of consolidation. That's where the range. I'm not using auto blocks. I say I use auto blocks as an indicator for where there might be a reversal. So I don't use auto blocks to draw my ranges. This consolidation here now is scaring me a little bit. Hey, Boom Banana. That was quick. Oh no, I don't know if this is a bad idea or not. This might be a bad idea. This might be a great idea. Yes, I see what you mean. Ah, nice. Okay, that makes sense. Though, to be fair, I'm not here for very long. I'm gonna see if this tags me in. Kinda looks like it's not going to, though. Oh well. So I might leave in like 5 minutes, sorry. But then I will be back. New York session. Whoop whoop. For a round 2. Why does it look like it wants to push down now? It's consolidating properly. That's fun. That's lots of fun. Really? Hoekom zal je hierdie doen? That was Afrikaans, by the way. I don't know if it sounds weird. Or cool. Or a bit of both. I am not Afrikaans, just... So, I know very limited amounts of Afrikaans. Yes? Now you're making me scared, Boom Banana. Why? Why? Buy to go up for potentially to take this Asia high before going down. Yeah, but saying that, now I'm scared. You know what? I have an idea. He did go into it. Yeah, I'm booming in and now I'm like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Excuse you, damn. Remove I can. Okay. let's see. Like I said, it's got 1 more minute to either tag me in or not, and then I might call it. So let us see what happens now. Yeah, they are. Range, so yeah. Theoretically, I mean, this is a tiny one, but there to there, there's a tiny one. So when I just was not paying attention here, there's another one. We go this way. Theoretically here to here. That one would have been a loss though. This one, yeah, they wouldn't have been tagged in. So if you kept following it up, would have been a tag in and a win. Yeah, in like 3 more minutes. Or 1 minute. Oh, but now see, it is going. Looks like it wants to go down again. Oh my goodness. What's that? That's what I was thinking, Frankie B, to be honest, but it could also be fooling everybody. Oh my gosh, okay, you have 1 more minute, mark it. Oh, it took me seriously. Okay, cool. If this does this to me again, I will call it there, and then there's that and that. Well, it's not destroying me as much as it did earlier, which means the tinfoil hat did not help. Oh, Boom Banana, you missed a very cool tinfoil hat. It did not help at all. Oh hell no, I crumpled it up because it was terrible luck. Absolutely terrible. My dog is passed out, asleep right now, like hardcore, KO'd. Hey, how's it going? You arrived just in time to see me getting tagged out. Oh. To be fair, I don't know how I'm not out yet, but... Listen, yeah. He is many, many things. Many things. But... how was I not? No, you know what? I'm not gonna complain. I'm not gonna complain. We're still in this. I'm gonna shush. Scare it! Shush! Shush! Nobody's scared! To be fair... Oh, what was it going up? See, look what happened. You said it's going up and you scared it. And now it wants to come back down. Good? What do you mean good? That's rude. No. Okay. If it goes back up a little bit again, I might call it on a break even. Go back up. Go back up. Go back up. Go back up. Okay. Calling it on a break even because it looks like it wants to start going down. And I'm just glad I wasn't tagged out. Frankie B, you think so? I think it was trying to cop me out. Okay, cool. If it does go up... Hey, is it... If it does go up now, I might cry. On live. You guys will see me crying on live. It has not moved. Well, break even's better than nothing. Yep. We've lost all momentum. So on that note, I'm gonna call it for today. So I can go, you must be joking. Oh my gosh. Top to bottom. That's the range. That's it. Sweet and simple. Okay, yeah, it's very choppy. We've lost a lot of volume now, so... Well, momentum. And volume, bit of both. So in the chop, I will... Okay. I'll be back. I'll be back for New York, guys. I'm gonna call it there, because oh my gosh. Yes. Theoretically. But then you just have to pick your range. Relief, yes. But I'm gonna call it. I'll see you guys back here, New York Open. Oh, I'll be salty about that later, but I hope you guys have, yes, hopefully. Frankie B, see you later. Just don't look at it. Yeah, you're right, I'm gonna have to not, or else I will cry and die a little bit on the inside, and we don't need that today, so it's fine. We're gonna have a great day. I'll see you guys later. New York's gonna be awesome. I'm excited. Yeah. Thanks, Frankie. Love you guys madly. See you at New York Open. Okay, love you, bye!